Hi, I'm Phillip Kane. I'm the CEO of Turbo Tire, home of Lexani, Lionhart, and RVP Tires. We are super excited to be here at this year's SEMA show. And not just to show our stuff, but to give something back to an industry that gives so much to us. And when I say industry, I'm not talking about a thing, I'm talking about people. People that take the time to use our stuff on the things that they create. And that's why I'm here right now to award those for their ingenuity and creativity in using our stuff on their wonderful and beautiful creations. As an expression of our gratitude, they'll take home these beautiful trophies. But before they take them home, they'll put them in front of their vehicles here at the 2025 SEMA show, where 200,000 or more people will see them displayed in front of the vehicles that roll on our Lexani, Lionhart, and Rolling Big Power tires.